When you open the college website, two portals will be opened. You click the second option, then you click the online valuation. You will be asked for a password. So go to reset password. You put your mobile number. Then password reset. Again you will be asked your mobile number. You put your mobile number. You will be receiving an OTP. Put the OTP in the password. Sign in. A new screen will be opened. You could see what are the papers you are going to value. In set A, the question paper is there, and when you click set A, the answer key is there. If there is no key, there will be a question mark. Okay. Then you go to the valuation. You go to the valuation box and click. You see again, you see set A and key set. When you click set A, question paper will be there. Again, you could see set A, key set A. If there is no question, there will be a question mark. Then go to online valuation. You could find the register numbers displayed of the papers you are going to value. Click one registered number, you could find the whole paper of that particular registered number. And you could start valuing the paper. One by one, you put marks. On the top of the paper, you could find the maximum marks in brackets, and there is an empty box there just below it, small box. You could award the marks of the particular question you are going to value. Likewise, one by one, you could value the question and put the marks. Maximum mark is given in brackets. After valuing all the questions, give save and update successfully, which comes at the top. Okay, then you start the next paper by clicking the register number. You could find the whole paper. You value the paper as you did earlier. Then you start my profile. The examiner's profile will be open. If you want to edit it, you edit and then you save it. Put update, then save. Then you go to exam valuation, open paper valuation, and you could check all the contents which you have given, on which you have given marks and all. Then you generate PDF. You could download the papers you have valued. This is for your use. Then you go back home. You could see the feedback form. You just fill up the feedback form and put the update. Click update. You could find the whole details.